Hi, I'm Joey with Celestial Fireglass, and today I'm going to show you how to turn all of this into your Jupiter 28 fire pit table. So once you have all of your parts laid out, grab your right two legs. If you look closely, you'll notice they have RB and RF on them. Next, you're going to want to grab 4 screws. They're going to be number 1 under the hardware contents in your instruction manual, or just the smaller ones. Once you have your screws, go ahead and grab the 2 right legs and the side panel. Go ahead and line up those holes and put those screws in. Once you have the right side done, you're going to do the same exact thing on the left side. So grab your 2 left legs, grab a side panel, grab 4 screws, and go ahead and connect all of that together. Grab your last remaining side panel and connect it to one of the other panels you've already assembled. Go ahead and connect all 3 of these side panels into one movable unit. It'll be the same thing, you just line up the screw holes and tighten those screws in there. Now you're going to want to add the bottom of the unit. This is what holds your propane tank. For this one, you're going to use those longer screws, number 4 on the parts list. And just screw all of those in once you have it lined up. Next, you're going to add the door bar. It has 4 screws going back to those smaller ones. Just line that up and screw those screws in. Once your base is made, now you can go ahead and grab the top of your table. It's going to be a little heavy, so do be careful. Once you have that facing downwards, go ahead and grab the base of your unit and line that up with the holes onto the tabletop. And then grab 4 screws and screw all of those in. Up next is the door. You're going to grab your knob, which is part 5 on the parts list, and then part 2 and 3 are included on that knob. Go ahead and unscrew it, feed it through the hole in the door panel, and then tighten that knob right on there. No screws are needed when attaching your door. It is a spring-loaded cylinder that fits in a hole in the door bar. You're going to want to line up the bottom first, then push that spring-loaded top cylinder as you line it up in place with the door bar. Lastly, just add your cover and close the door and you're good to go. Adding the propane tank to your table is pretty simple. It will be a snug fit getting your propane tank under your fire pit table, but trust me, it does fit. You're just going to have to maneuver it very carefully. Once your propane tank is sitting on the bottom of your table unit, go ahead and connect the regulator and tighten it as tight as it'll go. And that is how you assemble your Jupiter 28 fire pit table.